Assalamu alaikum. Our project is about using a set of static analysis tools to discover vulnerabilities. We used one static tool for Python and one for C++. This project done by Sheikh Al-Shamsi, Maryam Al-Ka'bi, Fatma Al-Kitbi, Riyazia Al-Ka'bi, Shamma Al-Darai, and Riyazia Al-Shamsi. We choose Pylon tool for Python. First, we have to install Pylon tool. So I will write pip install Pylon. Installation done. Then we have to run a code in Python. This code is an example for stack buffer overflow. So I will run the code now. We make sure that the code working good and have output without any errors. Then we will use Pylon tool to discover vulnerabilities with this code and we will fix it. So I will use terminal. I will write Pylon disable equal R C and the file name. As we see here, we have 4 errors on line 7, line 8, line 10, and 11. The error is bad indentation. Your code has been rated 8 out of 10. So I will go back to the code to fix this errors. Here in line 8, no, sorry, this is line 7. And 8. Also here we have 10, 11. So I will run this code again. And I will write in terminal again Pylon disable and the file name. As we see here, no errors and your code has been rated 10 out of 10.
And the other tool is CPP check tool for C++. First we have to install this tool. We already installed this one, CPP check. Then we have to run a code in C++, which is an example of heap overflow. So I will run the code now to make sure that we have output without any errors. Then I will go through CPP check to check the vulnerabilities of this code and we will fix it. As we see here, we have 2 errors. The first one in line 35, which is absolute function gets called. We have to change gets. And the other error is in line 25, which is a memory leak buffer1. So I will go back to the code and line 35 we have instead gets, I will use gets underscore s, then char And in line 25, which is the return, instead the return 0, I will use delete buffer 2 because of the memory leak. So I will save it. Then I will go back to the CPP check and I will do recheck again. As we see here, no errors found. Actually, we fix all the errors.